Yo, Max, where are you, man?
I'm in the studio.
Really? Studio? Why don't you call it like it is, man? The bedroom.
Okay, I might also sleep here, but this is where I shoot most of my videos, record the voiceovers. This is where I work. I like to call it the studio.
Whoa, somebody's sensitive today. Listen, man, I'm sorry to bother you at the studio, but your controller is broken.
Well, it worked just fine yesterday. How is it broken?
It doesn't charge anymore.
Have you tried a different cable?
I did. It didn't work.
Let me take a look.
Be my guest, but I'm telling you, bro, it's broken. I tried everything.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to be charging anymore. You see, Blinky, that's why I charge my controllers upside down. This way the controller doesn't put that much pressure on the charging port.
So what now?
I guess we could buy a charging station that uses the extension port in front of the controller.
But that will take days to arrive.
You could take one of the kids' remotes until then.
I can't. I'm not allowed.
And why is that?
They say I break stuff. Come on, bro, please. I'm in the middle of the game. Can't you use your magic and make like a hack or something so we can charge it now?
I guess I could try making a cable and charge the controller through the extension port if I can find the pinout for the port.
Oh yes, and then we can make a video about it, post it on YouTube and get millions of views. We'll be rich. Let's do it.
Okay, I think I have an idea. I think I can actually make a cable from two USB cables. Look, there are 8 pins in the extension port. This one is the ground and this one is the 5 volts pin. I'm going to use an USB cable to make a custom plug that will connect to those 2 pins.
Whatever you say, man, as long as we can charge the controller.
Okay, let's do this.
Is this thing on? So we are making a video. I'm Blinky and I come in peace. Hey, can I bust a move? I like to dance. Those wires have different colors. How will you know which is which?
We could measure them and see, but this time let's just use a different cable.
Phew, that's better. I panicked there for a second.
Now I'm going to select the wires we need for each cable and cut off the other ones. From the USB cable we need the red and black wires. And from the custom cable we will use the red and green.
And the connections? How will you make the connections?
The connections go like this: red to black and green to red.
It works! That's amazing! Do you think we should do a victory dance? I think we should dance.
Okay, Blinky, show me what you got.